In this video, we're going to show you how to install the horn on your Toyota Camry located right behind the front grille. With the hood open, you want to go ahead and locate the bolts securing your grille. There's going to be one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. Now ours is an 8mm bolt. Our bolts have been replaced already. So just use whatever tool you need to remove these two pieces of hardware. Once you have that hardware removed, lift up that grille, pop it out, and set it aside. And on your horn itself, there's going to be an electrical connector right here. There's a little pinch tab on the bottom. Pinch that and pull that connector off. On the horn bracket itself, there's a 12mm bolt. Loosen and remove that. Remove that bolt, we'll be reusing that. Now you're going to take the connector and pop this on to one of the tabs here. You're going to take the ground strap here and slide that on to the other tab here. Take your mounting bolt. You want to put that wire through the bolt. Put the bolt through the wire. Line that up. Line that up into the position you need it in and tighten down the bolt. At this point here, you want to go ahead and test the horn, make sure everything works. Once it's tested, we'll go ahead and install our grille. You want to go ahead and install the grille. On the bottom of your grille, you should have little tabs on the bottom that fit into the headlight mounting tabs here. Go ahead and line those up. Go ahead and get your mounting bolts started. And you want to gently go ahead and snug those down. Once those snug down, you're pretty much good to go. You don't want to over tighten this. You can crack the grille. So just gently snug those down. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.